officially summer. The heat is cranked up and we have a cucumber mint lemonade that I'm going to make today, and the secret ingredient is going to be Celtic sea salt to help get that salt replenished in our bodies. So that was half a cucumber, half a lemon, a couple of leaves from the mint, cups of water. Now that we have blended this, I'm going to take it and strain it through our nut milk bag. Okay, this is just a straining bag. And if you don't have one, you can get it on our Amazon store, amazon.com/Ellie's-best, and that's what it looks like. It's a real easy way to strain anything. That way we won't have any pulp in our juice. Now this is not necessarily a sweet drink, but you could certainly add any kind of sweetener to it. But I'm more interested in it from the hydration standpoint. So here's the pulp that's been removed, okay? All right, so here we go. So pretty. It's very quenching. So another great summer drink.